एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल संगीता टीचर। बच्चों, आज हम एक ब्यूटीफुल पोएम लर्न करेंगे, द सिल्वर हाउस, रिटन बाय जॉन ली। तो वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट करिए और अब तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो तुरंत कर दीजिए। तो चलिए पूरे जोश और उल्लास के साथ शुरू करते हैं अपने आज की ब्यूटीफुल पोएम, द सिल्वर हाउस। Let's see what poet tells about this silver house. He says, there is a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as silver crown. So there is a beautiful sky, and in that beautiful sky, children, there is one house, silver house. So what is this silver house exactly? Do you know? Yes, this silver house is nothing but a moon, which is beautifully appearing in the sky. Normally we see house in a this square shape जिसे 4 walls होते हैं, isn't it? But this house is something different. इसका shape कैसे इस house का? It is as round as silver crown. इसका shape कैसे silver house का? It is in round shape. Round means we can say whole, complete, spherical, circular, etc. So here, children, this poet compares this silver house with a silver crown. Crown के साथ इसको compare किया गया है। Simile में हम compare करते हैं ना। So here also this poet compares this silver house with a silver crown. Now crown means a princely ornament जिसे हम head पर पहनते हैं. Nowadays we wear it for birthday also. But here this silver crown is the silver crown means it's a silver coin which was used in England in the past. So वो coin की तरह ये हमारा silver house है, as round as silver crown. Next he says it takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 to pull it down. Now here children, poet John Lee indirectly describes phases of moon. Do you know phases of moon? It from new moon phase to full moon phase, again from full moon phase to new moon phase. Now what poet says here, it takes 2 weeks to build it up. मतलब वो moon पूरा complete होने के लिए it takes 2 weeks. That means this moon completes its journey. It completes its journey from new moon phase to full moon phase. For this process, children, it takes 15 days. That means 2 weeks. And again, it converts into new moon phase. वापस वो पूरी तरह से disappear हो जाता है, change होता है from full moon phase to new moon phase. So for this process from new moon phase to full moon phase and vice versa, मतलब उल्टा full moon से लेके new moon तक, again it takes 15 days, that means 2 weeks. तो उसे poet ने क्या कहा है? Build up and pull it down. Okay, are you getting what I'm telling? So next he says, there is a man who lives in the silver house in a lonely sort of way. Now this poet imagines that there is a man who lives in the moon. Nobody lives in the moon actually. Nobody lives on the moon. Isn't it? अभी तक तो कोई वहाँ पर नहीं रह रहा है. But this poet imagines that there is a man who lives in the moon. Actually what happened children, when we observe that moon ना, हम उस पर dark patches देखते हैं. Have you observed those dark patches? So those dark patches, it feels like some figures. Sometimes we imagine that figure is of animals, like sometimes it looks like horse, sometimes it looks like a lion, or sometimes it looks like human figure. Human figure भी हमें कभी कभी दिखता है. It's all our imagines. So here also this poet imagines that those black spot जो है वो कौन है? Man is there who is staying alone there. Lonely means alone. Nobody is living along with him. जैसे हम हमारे family members के साथ रहते हैं, but that man is not living with anybody else. He is totally alone in that silver house. But what his name is no one knows or no one likes to say. अभी यहाँ पे पोएट क्या कहते हैं कि वो कौन है, कहाँ से आया है, nobody knows. Nobody knows from where he has come, why he has come, what he is doing there, what is his name. Nobody has any idea about that man. कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है, and nobody wants to talk about that person, about that man, lonely man. In next stanza, poet says, yet when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind. Here, poet advises. हमें advise कर रहे हैं poet. What he advises, that he tells today after completion your dinner, when you are going to bed tonight, what you do? If you want to find that man, if you want to see that silver house which is in round shape, what you need to do? तुम्हें क्या करना है वो moon देखने के लिए और वो man देखने के लिए? Draw the window blind. Now here the meaning of draw is like to sketch. Sketching हम करते हैं ना. Many children are having that hobby to sketch, draw करना. And then again draw means to pull out. So here this poet says if you want to see that silver house, you need to draw the window blind. Now window blind means what? A protective covering window, or we can say window coverings. So वो window जो है जो हमने बंद करी है, that we need to open that to see that moon, to see that silver house, and peep out at the silver moon this lonely man to find. If you want to see that man who is lonely in that silver house, you need to open that window, and after opening that window, you have to peep from that window. उसको आपको झांकना है, उस सिल्वर हाउस को और उस मैन को देखना है. कैसे देखना है? How you are supposed to see? You have to peep. झांकना है. Then in the last stanza, this poet says, but if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, then go to bed, because of course the poor man won't be there. Now what he suggests, if you are peeping from the window to see that silver house and that lonely man, but if suppose if that house is taken down, now taken down means pulled down. Now that house is not there in the sky, all the sky is bare. Now here bare means empty. In that sky, in that lovely sky, now silver house is not there because it is taken down. अभी यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? Taken down means what exactly? That full moon phase is convert into new moon phase. अभी वो new moon phase में क्या हुआ है? Change हो गया, convert हो गया. So it is not there in the sky. Then what you will do if such thing happens? अगर ऐसा हुआ कि आप देख रहे हो and the silver house is taken down, then what you are supposed to do? Go to your bed. फिर आप चले जाओ सोने के लिए. Because of course the poor man won't be there. वहाँ पे रुक के कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं है. No need to stand and peep there if the silver house is not there. So at such time you just go to your bed and take a sleep. Take a sound sleep. Because this poor man who is staying alone in that silver house, who is staying lonely in that silver house, won't be there. So take a sound sleep. So beautiful poem, no, this is? So nicely and beautifully poet John Lee described about this moon, about this silver house and its phases also. Have you observed some rhyming words also have come here? Rhyming words देखा आप लोगों ने कौन से rhyming words हैं? Let's see. So in the first stanza, rhyming words are crown, down. Second stanza, way, say. Third stanza, blind, find. And in the last stanza, bear, there. आई बात समझ में? Understood this rhyming word? Okay. So I hope here we have completed this poem. Hope that this poem is crystal clear to you. If suppose if you find any doubt still, you can ask me in the comment section. Surely I'll reply for that. So till then, bye, take care.